In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix keyboard automatically, doing shortcuts while typing. Now this should be a quick and easy process video. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead to the search menu, then type in settings. Go ahead, make sure you write everything correctly. Then click on open. After that, just go ahead to the left side. Just click on accessibility. After you do that, just keep scrolling down. Then under interactions, click on keyboard. And make sure sticky keys, filter keys, and toggle keys are all turned off, as you can see here. If it's on, just make sure to toggle it off. Then just go ahead. The next step you can do is to go ahead to the search menu. Type in Device Manager. After that, just click on Open. And then the Device Manager window will open up for you. Just go ahead, choose the keyboard. As you can see now, click on the keyboards. Then right-click on the keyboard you have. Then click on an installed. So when you do that, this action will reinstall your keyboard after restarting the computer. Just go ahead and restart your computer after doing all of this. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.